Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the recording feature on your EE-TV Pro box. So we've got our guide here and it will show you what's on at the minute. So I've gone on to film 4, so if I click record it will start recording that film. So obviously since it's already started, it's going to start from where I clicked record. It won't record behind from what you've already done. But I just thought I'd show you this bit. You realistically probably wouldn't use it like that. What you'd do is you'd go on your guide. Say if you wanted to record the next film that's on your guide, you would then click record and then it's going to schedule that recording. So then when that film plays, it will go into your recordings. But say if I go to record an episode of a series, so we're currently in the future a bit. You see Modern Family is playing right now. So if I want to record Big Bang Theory, I click record, and now I've got an option to record series or record episode. So if I click record episode, it's just going to record that one episode. But as you can see, after that, there is multiple episodes on. So if I go back and I click record series, it's going to record every time. So this is tomorrow and it's recording it. So how do you see your recording? So go home, then go to the side, go to my TV, and then here's everything that's recorded. So that's that little bit of that film we recorded. Click on that and it will show you, as you see, it's only a minute because I only left it for a minute. And then if we go to scheduled, the Big Bang Theory, so see that's scheduled for the next episode that comes on, and then every episode after that will also be recorded, and that's the film. And then you see The Simpsons is also going to record. So if I go to recordings, it did fail because it wasn't on, but once you've set up a series link, it won't just show you each individual episode on the recordings. It's going to be in like a folder. So if you click that, as you see, of episodes of The Simpsons, which haven't recorded because my box wasn't plugged in. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys found this video helpful. I have loads of videos on this box, so if you're interested, go check them out.